Congratulations on your new assignment at Kroger. The following video is going to show you how to use our clock in, clock out system. You're going to receive a text message from us that's going to have a link that's going to take you to that website that you'll use to clock in and out. Go ahead and click that link. Once you're there, make sure that you go ahead and create a bookmark in your web browser for that link. If you do not know how to create a bookmark, instructions on how to do so for both iPhone and Android will be provided in the video description below. Once you've done that, go ahead and select a language to get started. Once you've selected your language, it's going to ask for your badge ID. Your badge ID is the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, so go ahead and enter that now. Once you've entered that, it's going to take you to the main page. This page is going to be useful for your reference because you'll be able to see your timesheet for the entire week. But we're not going to worry about that just yet because now it's time to enter some time. In the top right corner, select the button that looks like 4 bars, and then select Timesheet Entry. From there, you'll select New Transaction. Under Pay Type, make sure it says Edited Paid, and then you're going to select your start date using the drop-down arrow. Make sure that you click on the drop-down arrow, and once you do, you should see a calendar appear. Click your start date, and then enter the time that you got to work today. So we'll do 6 a.m. for this example, and then click Set. And the end date, go ahead and make sure that that end date is correct, and then put the date or the time that you left work. And then make sure you also record your lunchtime. Since lunchtime is half an hour at Kroger, you're going to put 0.5. And then you're going to hit Save. Now, it's very important for you to remember that if you work night shift, your start date and your end date are going to be different. So for example, if you got there at 6 p.m. on 3/21 and you got out at 6 a.m. the next day, your end date is going to be 3/22/2022. So just keep that in mind as you're navigating that. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to send us a text message to 803-772-4915.